Intro. Tata Communications just released its Q4 FY2026 results. Let us break down the consolidated numbers and see how the telecom giant performs this quarter. Dividend. Final dividend announced. 17.50 per share. 175% payout. Strong reward for shareholders. Total income. Rupees 6596.73 crore total income. Revenue at 6554.15 crore. Up 9.4% year-on-year. Up 2.3% quarter-on-quarter. Digital portfolio driving strong growth. Expenses. 6182.90 crore total expenses. Network cost highest, 3081.10 crore. Employee costs, 1240.10 crore. Scale growing, but costs remain heavy. EBITDA, 1284 crore EBITDA, up 14.4% year-on-year. Margins at 19.6%, expanded by 86 basis points. Clear operational efficiency improvement. Exceptional items. 20.26 crore adjustments. Includes staff cost optimization and labor code impact provisions. Small numbers, but impact bottom line. PBT, RIP, 434.09 crore, down 5.2% quarter-on-quarter, down 52.5% year-on-year. High base effect and last year gains missing. PAT, 263 crore net profit. Massive drop, down 65.4% year-on-year. Margin at just 4.0%. Revenue strong, but profit under pressure. EPS, 9.22. Earnings per share, down 28% quarter-on-quarter, down 73.7% year-on-year. Direct reflection of weak profitability. Summary. Revenue growing, up 9.4% year-on-year, but profit collapsing, down 65.4%. EBITDA improving, but net profitability shrinking. Scaling business, but pressure on bottom line. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.